Hello students, in previous video we learned about the various theories for acids and bases. According to Arrhenius theory, hydrogen containing substance gives H plus ion in its aqueous solution is acid, while base is hydroxy compound gives OH minus ion in its aqueous solution. According to LV theory, acid is a proton donor while a base is a substance which accepts a proton from another substance. According to Levy's theory, any species which can accept a lone pair of electron is called as acid, while a lone pair donor is known as Levy's base. Then, in this video, we learn about the dissociation constant for weak acid, for weak base, and Ostwald dilution law and its derivation for weak acid as well as a weak base. Acids and bases are classified into strong acid, strong base, or weak acid and weak base on the basis of extent of dissociation. That is, the substance or acid dissociates completely, is a stronger acid, while acid which dissociates partially or to small extent is known as weak acid. Today we will discuss about a dissociation constant for a weak acid, which is denoted by capital K suffix small a, that is Ka, is the dissociation constant for a weak acid. Consider HA as a weak acid. In aqueous solution or in dilute solution, this weak acid dissociates to gives H plus and A minus ion, H plus aqueous and A minus aqueous, that is cations and anions after dissociation of acid. As this Ha is a weak acid, it dissociates partially, or it will produces a few number of H plus and A minus ions. Hence, an equilibrium will be obtained for such a dissociation reaction. As it is weaker acid, it dissociates to small extent and gives a few number of H plus as well as A minus ion. Then, according to chemical equilibrium, the dissociation constant is the ratio of a concentration of products divided by concentration of a reactant. Here, a equilibrium for a dissociation reaction is represented by a letter Ka. Capital K is equilibrium constant, while Ka is the dissociation constant. That is, the equilibrium constant for a dissociation reaction is equal to a concentration of product, that is H plus aqueous into concentration of A minus aqueous divided by concentration of undissociated acid. This ratio is known as a dissociation constant of acid. We can define as, that is definition, equilibrium constant for a dissociation reaction or a dissociation process of a weak acid is called as dissociation constant for weak acid. In similar manner, we explain the dissociation constant for a weak base, which is denoted by K suffix B. Kb is a dissociation constant for weak base. Suppose BOH is a weak base. In its aqueous solution, it dissociates to give B plus OH minus aqueous. This weak base BOH dissociates to give B plus OH minus aqueous. As it is weak base, it dissociates to small extent, gives less number of B plus and OH minus ion, and at equilibrium will establish this equilibrium constant for a dissociation of weak base is equal to a concentration of B plus aqueous into concentration of OH minus aqueous divided by concentration of unionized base BOH. Hence, a dissociation constant for base Kb can be defined as an equilibrium constant, and equilibrium constant for a dissociation of a weak base is known as a dissociation constant for a weak base. These two terms Ka and Kb are important for Ostwald's dilution law. Ka and Kb is nothing but the dissociation constant for weak acid and weak base respectively, and this is the ratio of concentration of products divided by concentration of reactant. Okay. And next concept, Ostwald's dilution law. This Ostwald dilution law gives the relationship between a degree of dissociation, which is denoted by alpha, and dissociation constant of weak acid or a weak base. That is, this Ostwald dilution law gives the relationship between degree of dissociation, means the extent of dissociation, which is again the ratio of number of moles dissociate divided by total number of moles, and dissociation constant for weak acid or weak base. For weak acid, we will derive this Ostwald dilution law and prove the statement. This, according to this Ostwald dilution law, this degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte is directly proportional to a square root of volume, that is alpha is directly proportional to square root of volume or inversely proportional to square root of a concentration. We can derive this equation for a weak acid, that is Ostwald's dilution law for a weak acid. Consider or suppose 1 mole of weak acid HA is present in V decimeter cube of a solution. की सुरुवातीला काय कन्सिडर करतोय आपण? The 1 mole of weak acid HA is dissolved or present in V decimeter cube of a solution. Then this dissociation reaction for HA can be written as, कशी रिएक्शन आपण देऊ शकतो बघा की HA is a weak acid. In its aqueous solution it gives H plus ion as well as A minus ion. H plus A minus, as it is weak acid it dissociates to small extent. Okay, then this dissociation constant for weak acid is given by equation Ka is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of HA. This is the equation number first. की ह्या इक्वेशनच्या साहाय्याने आपल्याला Ka ची व्हॅल्यू मिळू शकते. किती मोल्स आहेत? तर इनिशियली 1 mole of weak acid is present in V decimeter cube of a solution. If alpha, or suppose alpha is a degree of dissociation, then 1 minus alpha will be, or 1 minus alpha is equal to this amount of weak acid remain undissociated. After equilibrium, a solution contain 1 minus alpha moles of undissociated acid. Suppose HA gives H plus A minus aqueous. इनिशियल अमाउंट किती होती? इनिशियल अमाउंट तुम्ही कन्सिडर केले आपण. इनिशियल अमाउंट, इनिशियली 1 mole of weak acid is present. Before dissociation, a solution contain 0 moles of H plus as well as A minus ion. Then moles at equilibrium की कसे कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आपण? as alpha is degree of dissociation, hence after equilibrium solution contain alpha moles of H plus ions as well as alpha moles of A minus ions. And how much quantity of HA remain behind? Which is initial amount minus degree of dissociation, that is 1 minus alpha is moles present at equilibrium. Then next, a concentration at equilibrium. The concentration is nothing but the number of moles divided by total volume of a solution. Volume is equal to V decimeter cube, and hence 1 minus alpha upon V is concentration of HA at equilibrium. Equilibrium concentration. Here it will becomes like alpha upon V and alpha upon V. That is, it gives the equilibrium concentration of ions as well as undissociated acid. Put these values of concentration in equation number 1. की इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मध्ये ह्या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनचे व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला पुटअप करायचे आहे. की फॉर एक्झाम्पल के ए कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ एच ए किती येते, विच इज इक्वल टू अल्फा अपॉन व्ही इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ ए मायनस अल्फा अपॉन व्ही डिवायडेड बाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ एच ए 1 मायनस अल्फा अपॉन व्ही. अल्फा इंटू अल्फा अल्फा स्क्वेअर अपॉन व्ही स्क्वेअर इंटू व्ही अपॉन 1 मायनस अल्फा. इक्वेशन आपण रिअरेंज केले. ओके, इट विल बिकम्स लाईक दॅट अल्फा स्क्वेअर अपॉन 1 मायनस अल्फा इंटू व्ही. सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. कि के ए after substituting the value of concentration, equilibrium concentration, equation becomes alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into V. We know that moles upon volume, that is 1 upon V is equal to concentration. Moles divided by volume is nothing but it is the concentration of solution. Hence equation number 2 becomes, काय होईल आता इक्वेशन नंबर 2, तर के ए इज इक्वल टू काय इक्वेशन होईल बघा आता, के ए इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर इंटू सी डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा. दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन नंबर 4. ओके, as HA is a weak acid, its degree of dissociation is very very small. Alpha is very small and hence 1 minus alpha is approximately equal to 1. कि अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू खूप कमी डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 0.0001. 1 मायनस दॅट मच अप्रॉक्सिमेटली इक्वल टू 1. म्हणून आपण 1 मायनस अल्फा इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली इक्वल टू 1 असं म्हटलंय. आता ही व्हॅल्यू जर इथं पुटअप केली तर इक्वेशन नॅचरली आपल्याला काय राहणार आहे, के ए इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर इंटू सी किंवा के ए इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर अपॉन व्ही. रिअरेंज द इक्वेशन फॉर अल्फा स्क्वेअर. Alpha square is equal to Ka into C. Alpha square Ka upon C किंवा इथं जर तुम्ही बघितलं अल्फा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू के ए इंटू व्हॉल्यूम. हेन्स अल्फा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ के ए अपॉन सी or square root of Ka into volume. This is our final equation. की काय इक्वेशन मिळालं आपल्याला बघा, की डिग्री अल्फा इज इक्वल टू के ए अपॉन सी रूट ऑफ के ए इंटू व्ही. अँड हेन्स दिस ऑस्टवर्ड डायल्यूशन लॉ कॅन बी स्टेटेड ॲज, काय स्टेटमेंट आपण करू शकू बघा, दिस डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन आणि dissociation constant. The degree of dissociation for this weak acid is inversely proportional, that is alpha inversely proportional to square root of a concentration or directly proportional to square root of a volume. Okay, once again, Ostwald dilution law can be stated as a degree of dissociation for weak acid is inversely proportional to square root of concentration or directly proportional to square root of volume. Okay? मग यावर आता कुठल्या प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकतोय? तर सिंपल मॅनर, डिराईव्ह ऑस्टवर्ड डायल्युशन लॉ फॉर अ वीक ॲसिड. We can derive equation in such manner. For 1 marks, state Ostwald dilution law for weak acid. The law can be stated as degree of dissociation for weak acid is inversely proportional to square root of concentration or directly proportional to square root of a volume. Or the question may be like that, prove alpha is inversely proportional to square root of volume, or alpha is directly proportional square root of inversely proportional to square root of concentration or directly proportional to square root of volume. म्हणजे 2 मार्कासाठी डेरिवेशन या 2 वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. किंवा फॉर 1 मार्क्स they can ask the statement for Ostwald dilution law. व्हेरी सिंपल इक्वेशन आहे, सिंपल डेरिवेशन आहे. सेम डेरिवेशन आपल्याला वीक बेससाठी डेराईव्ह करायचे. ओके, आता आपण वीक बेससाठी ऑस्टवर्ड डायल्युशन लॉ डेराईव्ह करू. आता आपण वीक बेससाठी ऑस्टवर्ल्ड लॉ परत एकदा डेराईव्ह करूया. आता आपण काय केलंय, तर ऑस्टवर्ड डायल्युशन लॉ फॉर आपण वीक ॲसिडसाठी डेराईव्ह केला होता. बाय अप्लाइंग सेम स्टेप्स, सेम कन्सेप्ट, वी विल डेराईव्ह द ऑस्टवर्ड डायल्युशन लॉ फॉर द वीक बेस. की फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कन्सिडर BOH as a weak base. As it is weak base, it dissociates slowly to small extent, gives B plus and OH minus ion, and an equilibrium will establish between ions as well as undissociated molecules. की हा वीक बेस असल्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, इट्स डिसोसिएशन टेक्स प्लेस टू स्मॉल एक्सटेंट. A solution contain undissociated base as well as ions, and equilibrium will establish between them. Okay? If 1 mole of base is present in V decimeter cube of a solution. की किती अमाउंट आपण घेतली इनिशियली, 1 mole of weak base is present in V decimeter cube of a solution. मग V 1 लिटर 2 लिटर किती क्वांटिटी असू शकेल ती, तर V decimeter cube of a solution. Alpha is degree of dissociation and 1 minus alpha is the moles remain behind in undissociated form of a molecule. 1 minus alpha म्हणजे काय, तर हा मॉलिक्यूल अनडिसोसिएटेड फॉर्म मध्ये जो शिल्लक राहिलाय त्याचे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 1 मायनस अल्फा. 2 गोष्टी क्लिअर झाल्या असतील. अल्फा इज डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन and 1 minus alpha is nothing but moles of undissociated molecule remain behind after equilibrium. आता हीच क्वांटिटी एका चार्ट मध्ये आपण दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलाय. पुन्हा एकदा आपण इक्वेशन लिहिले, BOH gives B plus OH minus. इनिशियल अमाउंट किती होती, तर इनिशियली 1 मोल ऑफ बेस इज प्रेझेंट. जोपर्यंत डिसोसिएशन झालं नव्हतं तोपर्यंत B प्लस आणि OH मायनसची क्वांटिटी किती आहे, 0 0. त्याचं डिसोसिएशन होईल and equilibrium will establish, and hence at equilibrium what will be the amount of undissociated and dissociated ions. तर BOH ची अमाउंट किती मिळाली आपल्याला, इनिशियल अमाउंट मायनस इट्स डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन 1 मायनस अल्फा. इथं अल्फा अल्फा. मग आता कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करतो आपण, तर मोल्स डिवायडेड बाय व्हॉल्यूम. ओके, मग तोच कन्सेप्ट आपण अप्लाय केला. इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज नथिंग बट मोल्स 1 मायनस अल्फा डिवायडेड बाय टोटल व्हॉल्यूम V is the equilibrium concentration of weak base. Okay, alpha upon V is the equilibrium constant of B plus, and alpha upon V is equilibrium constant of OH minus. बरोबर आहे ना. मग आता ह्या इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनच्या व्हॅल्यू आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केल्या. We know that the dissociation constant of base Kb is given by an equation. की Kb कुठल्या इक्वेशन मिळत आहे? तर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ प्रॉडक्ट दॅट इज कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ बी प्लस इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ OH मायनस divided by concentration of undissociated species BOH, which is equation number 2. Equation number 1 gives equilibrium concentration. Put these values of equilibrium concentration in equation number 2. We have a Kb is equal to 1 minus alpha upon V is initially put the values of equilibrium concentration B plus, which is alpha upon V, another one alpha upon V, equilibrium concentration of OH minus, divided by concentration of BOH, 1 minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha upon V. After rearranging, पहिल्यासारखंच आपल्याला इक्वेशन मिळेल अल्फा स्क्वेअर अपॉन V स्क्वेअर हे अपॉन 1 मायनस अल्फा अपॉन V, त्याला जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर इंटू V अपॉन 1 मायनस अल्फा. म्हणजे फायनल इक्वेशन काय मिळेल आपल्याला आता? तर अल्फा स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा इंटू V. सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. If or we know that moles divided by volume is equal to capital C, that is the concentration. Hence, Kb is equal to alpha square into C divided by 1 minus alpha, or alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into V. अशी दोन इक्वेशन देऊ शकतो. But once again, as alpha is very small, 1 minus alpha is approximately equal to 1. आणि म्हणून परत एकदा इक्वेशन आपल्याला मिळेल की Kb is equal to alpha square into C, or Kb is equal to alpha square upon V. 1 minus alpha, 1 minus alpha is equal to आपण घेतलं approximately equal to 1. Hence, this equation alpha square is equal to काय होईल आता? Kb upon C, or Kb into V. We can write alpha square जर रिमूव्ह केलं the square root of Kb upon C. This equation gives a relationship between degree of dissociation and concentration of solution. Or another equation, alpha is equal to a root of Kb into V. अशी दोन इक्वेशन आपल्याला मिळतात. Hence, Ostwald dilution law is proved for a weak base. काय होतं Ostwald dilution law चं स्टेटमेंट? The degree of dissociation for weak base is inversely proportional to square root of concentration, or this degree of dissociation for weak base is directly proportional to square root of volume. ओके, इथं परत एकदा 2 मार्कासाठी क्वेश्चन विचारलं जाऊ शकेल. Derived Ostwald dilution law for weak base, or prove that alpha is inversely proportional to square root of concentration or directly proportional to square root of volume. 2 मार्कासाठी किंवा for 1 mark give the statement of Ostwald dilution law for a weak acid. Okay, in this video we learn about a dissociation constant of weak acid, dissociation constant of weak base, and Ostwald dilution law for weak acid and weak base. Okay, we will stop here.